What's up, Flip fam? Thank you guys for tuning back into the channel.
If you saw last week's episode, that's when we began demoing the kitchen and the bathroom. That's also when we discovered we had a block wall house covered in plaster. So we were gonna try to work around the plaster, but when we removed the bathtub and the closets from the bathroom, we realized the plaster was different thicknesses and it was just too damaged to try to repair. So we thought it'd be easier just to start fresh, start with a clean slate, remove everything down to bare bones, and build it out the way we want to. So that means today we're gonna be ripping all the plaster off the wall, we're gonna be ripping up the floor and removing the ceiling in the bathroom.
So demo day part 2.
Okay, so we're gonna build out the wall, that way we can more easily run our plumbing and our electrical to get this bathroom looking the way we want to. Because with plaster on the wall, we would have had to do things like run conduit. So I think this is gonna give us a better looking result, which in the end is gonna help us sell this house for a lot more money, because once again, the two biggest return on your investment rooms are the kitchen and bathroom. Okay, so 30 heavy-ass bags of trash and one pile of wood later, and we're finally finished with the bathroom.
And now we get to talk about design.
But before we get to that, with demo being over, we figured it'd be a good time to kick back and relax.
Yeah, we just needed a low-key change of pace from all the sledgehammers and crowbars.
Anybody that knows Nickelback is a f***ing loser. Sell out.
The worst.
Oh God, they're awful. Missed you so much that I begged you to fly in and see me.
Best keep your mouth shut, man, we're good to go. Yeah, we hit the mother load. There's more than enough for all of us. Somebody stole a beer truck. You can holler at the moon, go splashing in the creek. You can get as rowdy as you damn near wanna be. But don't build a bonfire, we don't need that attention. Ain't nobody driving.
This is way better than demo day.
Somebody stole a beer truck. It don't matter who it was. Grab a can and drink it up. Best keep your mouth shut. Man, we're good to go. Yeah, we hit the mother load. There's more than enough for all of us.
Yes, go for it. Go for it.
We parked it over.
Well, you didn't get it.
That's it. You don't. That means you don't get anything. It's bad. I'm aware of the rules. I'm a werewolf. I'm still eating though.
All night long.
bullseye. God damn it.
You won! Rig. Yo, what the flip?
Okay, so let's talk design. This is our bathroom in its current condition.
So we're going to go over some of the potential design choices. For the floor, we want to put something in it like a penny tile or a basket weave, something that would have been around in the 1940s, so it's true to the period of the home, but it also makes it feel a lot more updated.
Then we're going to slap some sheetrock on the walls. Paint it something neutral to attract as many potential buyers as possible. We're probably going to go with a light and airy palette just to make it feel open.
This room has a window on the back wall. I don't think this bathroom would look good with a window in the shower, so we've opted for a freestanding tub. That, along with the black tub filler, will help keep the vibe of using elements from a period original to this home, while also making it feel updated, modern, and expensive.
Now we just add a vanity, mirror, and of course a toilet and some light fixtures. We want to keep this bathroom neutral, but we may try and kick things up with an accent wall, or even do the whole bathroom in shiplap.
Alright guys, that's it for us. Let us know which design ideas you liked or disliked. Let us know in the comments.
Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
Hey, what's the coolest wood in high school?
Poplar.